Today we're going to make a phone holder, and it's easier than you think. We're going to do a line. Start off with a line tool. I'm going to go 95 down a bit and another line here. That one's going to be 90 with a 60-degree angle. And another line there. This one's going to be 85. Let's see if we can get a 60-degree there too. Okay. Line again, 25, and then up 15. Turn off these dimensions for now. Now what we can do here is we can do an offset on this whole thing. That'll give us our total thickness all the way around it. Right, perfect. I like 2 millimeters, but see how it's cutting into our bottom piece. So we'll just do Control Z. This one was 85. Let's go 80. There, that brought that up. Now we'll do our offset again. 2 millimeters. The only thing it doesn't do is connect the lines. Done. Our line. This is where we'll finish our sketch. Okay, trying to see where that line came. Okay, just showing us our angle there. I just wanted to. Now we're going to extrude, go 70 wide. And as you can see, I can't turn it a specific way because of the way we started our sketch. Do this, filter that way. We can move it around. Let's see if we get some fillets in here. Fillet for that one. Of course, we'll give it a color. Find some green. Oh man, cool. So there you are. That is your basic pattern for a phone holder. Pretty simple. You just start out with a sketch and a few lines and extrude it to the size you need, and you'll be able to fit your phone on there. You can even go as far as putting a slot here for a phone cord, maybe add a pattern here. There's all kinds of things, and you can experiment with the fillet tool, make your corners rounder. Yeah, it's all up to you. So if you didn't know how to make a phone holder, now you do. Thanks for watching.